Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about money saving tips that you can do while crafting to make your budget go further. First up is to use a Crayola marker, thin marker, instead of a Cricut pen if you are doing a writing font in Cricut where you need a pen to write it. Now, these packs of Crayola thin markers are $1, whereas a Cricut pen is usually $15 for a pack. Now, a warning to note is that if you use a marker other than Cricut, it can void your warranty. However, if your machine is already out of warranty, that might be a risk you're willing to take to save some money. But just wanted to give you the information and you can decide. If you choose to go ahead and go forward, the next thing you're going to do is take the marker, this is the Crayola thin marker that you see here. You're going to take it and then go ahead and place it into your Cricut machine the same way you would any Cricut pen. And when it's done, it will look great. Buy your vinyl online if you can. It's much cheaper than shopping in the store. Here's a company called 143vinyl.com, and they sell all kinds of things, a lot of heat transfer vinyl and adhesive vinyl. Now, if you're shopping online at these vinyl places, be sure to look for outlet sections or clearance sections. Here you can find really good deals on things that they are usually phasing out or that just aren't in season anymore, and it will save you a lot of money. Now, on this particular website, 143vinyl.com, you can save 5% anytime by just using the code GET5. Okay, next is my little secret of where to shop for heat presses. This is Heat Press Nation. They sell things like heat transfer vinyl and blanks for creating projects, but they sell heat presses, and if you go to the very bottom, it says Heat Press Nation Outlet. If you click here, you will find refurbished heat presses and other pieces of equipment that they sell. Now, these have a year warranty on them, and they are discounted from the original rate of what a brand new pieces of equipment would cost. This is where I purchased my heat press, and I would definitely recommend that you check this out as well. For good quality SVGs, be sure to check out designbundles.net. They do a lot of different design SVGs. Some are free, as you see here, and they have something for everything and everyone in every budget. They will even do a dollar sale from time to time, which they will put out their SVG files, certain numbers, limited quantities, for only $1 for these files, and that is a huge bargain. So be sure to check this website out regularly. Okay, and since we're talking about good deals, we have to talk about defont.com. This is where you can get and download to your computer free fonts for personal use. And they have something for everyone. They have fancy fonts, they have some plain fonts, they have Christmassy type fonts. You name it, you can find it here. So be sure to scroll through this website, take a browse at what they have. You'll be able to download it to your computer and use it for all of your projects, and you will love it. So if you're looking for affordable blanks like this little snow globe and this wine glass, you need to go to the Dollar Tree. These are great quality items. As you can see, this one here I etched with some etching cream, but there really is no limit to what you can do with some of these Dollar Tree blanks. They are great quality and so much fun. So be sure to check out the Dollar Tree. So if you're doing a project that has adhesive vinyl, you need transfer tape. And when you're using transfer tape, make sure that you use each piece more than once because this will stretch your crafting budget. But if you don't have that, grab yourself some Glad Press and Seal. This can be used in the place of transfer tape. As you can see here, I have my press and seal. I'm going to place it over my adhesive design, and I'm going to grab my scraper and then go over that to make sure that it adheres very well to the press and seal. Now, it is not as user-friendly as using transfer tape, but it is something to keep in mind if you're on a very strict budget or if you have run out of transfer tape and you just need to get that project done. The next budget tip I have for you is that when your mats get dirty, instead of throwing them away, simply take a little bit of dish soap and a sponge and you can clean them up as good as new. I will include a video up above on how to do this, but as you can see, it works wonderfully. Final tip I have for you is to join the Facebook group 143vinyl.com. They do grab boxes full of heat transfer vinyl and adhesive vinyl at a fraction of the price that you would normally pay. It is a great way to stock up on your vinyl supply. So join the group and be sure to get this awesome savings. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and like the video.